Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss how to import data into SQL Server from the Excel or CSV file. Here I have one sample Excel file with some sales data. The columns are region, manager, salesman, item, units and unit price and sales amount. This data will import into SQL Server. Just open SQL Server. Here I have a demo database with some other data like department, employee and product tables. So in this demo database I am going to import. Just right click on the demo database. You can see in the tasks, under the task you can select the import data option is there. Just click on that import data. Like this one wizard will open. Just click on next, and here we have to choose the path of Excel. So I am from the Excel I am importing, so I will select Microsoft Excel. So the Excel path you have to select. So under the downloads I have a sales data Excel. Just click on open. Now we have to select the Excel version. So mine was older, so I will select as a 2023, and one checkbox is available. First row has a column names. Here if you see in the Excel, the first row has a column names here, so this will consider as a column name. So I selected this. If doesn't have a column names, you can select unselect this. So just click on next, and where to import this Excel data, so that you have to select. Here you can see choose a destination. So this is the Excel, so I'm going to import into SQL Server. So just select a OLADB provided for SQL Server, and here you can choose a Windows authentication or your SQL authentication. So I'll go with the Windows. So this is my server name. So you can see here the server name is Suryan, so the server name automatically came here. The database you can see here in this Suryan server, if you have a multiple database, that all multiple database will get list. Now this is a master model, these are the default demo databases, it will listed. Now I have a demo database, only one. So now click on next, and here copy data from one or more tables from our views, or you can write a single query for to transfer data from Excel to your database. So I'll select all. So just click on next, and you can see choose here in the left hand side have the sales path, sales data Excel path, and the right hand side you can see destination, where to copy. So I'll give the table name sales data underscore TBL I'll give, and you can see here edit mappings or preview. So just click on edit mappings. You can see here column mappings you can do. So in the source you have a region, manager, salesman, so all the columns it is available. In the destination also you want a same names, or if you want to change the column name you can map. And also here data type you can see envarchar, float, all those. If you want you can change to some other database data types. All data types is available, varchar, text, date, all those. So this is by default is envarchar came, and you can choose the column should be nullable or not. And also you can choose the size of this column in the destination. So in the destination is SQL, so in the destination you can choose the size of the column. So and also you can see here enable identity insert. So if you want to insert one more column, identity column, you can insert, you can select this. So if you don't want, you can unselect and click on OK. And also you can see one more option, preview. If you click on this preview, you can see all the data, which is the sales data table, the region, manager, all the columns data, it is available. So it looks like it will be inserted into SQL database. Just click on OK, and here click on next. Here you can select run immediately, or if you want to store it and run after some time. So like that also you can choose. So I'll select run immediately. Just click on next and just click on finish. You can see all the process and it is completed. So it is in few commands it will execute and it will complete. So just close this and go and refresh in the table section. Right click, refresh. you can see we given as a sales data underscore TBL table name we given. So just to select and select top 100. You can see the data. In the previous section we have already seen this data. So similar way it is inserted into table, the sales data underscore TBL. You can see the 43 records it is inserted and 2 null values in the Excel. You can see. So the 43 records is up to here, and maybe this is the empty data is there, so it is inserted into 2 empty data rows. So like this we can import data into SQL Server. Not only the Excel format, you can use a CSV format also, any other format also you can use. If you want to copy from another data source to in this data source also we can do. So just right click, task, import. Just click on next. You can choose the data source from where. If you want to copy from another server, another SQL server also you can select, or you can Oracle, all those stuff you can select and you can import. Now you can export data also. So right click on the database, task. Here you can see export data option is there. Just click on export data, click on next. You can choose the data source and you can export which data source only you can export, so those you can select, or you can generate a script also. So right click on the demo database, task, you can see generate script. You can generate your table data into scripts and you can execute that script into another database. So this many ways we can import and export the databases into scripts or into a table. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.